English speaking practice. Conversation. Hi there. My name is Alex. What's your name?
Hi Alex, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. So, what brings you here today?
Oh, I was just out for a walk and saw this beautiful park. I thought I'd come and enjoy the scenery.
Same here. This park is so peaceful and relaxing. Have you been here before?
No, it's my first time here. What about you?
Yeah, I come here pretty often. It's a great place to clear your head and just take in the beauty of nature. Exactly.
Absolutely. The trees are so green and the birds are singing. It's like a little oasis in the middle of the city.
Exactly. It's amazing how a place like this can make you forget about all your worries and just enjoy the present moment.
Definitely. Thanks for sharing this peaceful spot with me, Alex. Maybe we can explore more of the park together sometime?
That sounds like a great idea, Sarah. Let's plan something soon.
Okay, that would be nice. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
Well, I love playing basketball and listening to music. How about you? What do you enjoy doing?
I really enjoy reading books and watching movies. What kind of music do you listen to? Do you have any favorite artists?
Yeah, I like listening to hip-hop and R&B music. Some of my favorite artists are Kendrick Lamar, J. Cole, and Drake. How about you? Do you have any favorite musicians or bands?
Yes, I love listening to indie and folk music. Some of my favorite artists are Bon Iver, Fleet Foxes, and Iron and Wine. Have you heard of them?
Yes, I have. They're all great artists. It's always interesting to learn about other people's musical tastes. So, what else do you like to do besides reading and watching movies? Do you have any hobbies or interests?
Yes, I also enjoy going on nature walks and taking photos of the scenery around me. How about you? Do you have any hobbies or interests outside of sports and music?
Yes, I also enjoy playing video games and watching sports on TV. How about you? Do you follow any sports teams or play any sports yourself?
No, not really. But I do enjoy watching basketball games sometimes when my friends invite me over to watch them play on TV. It's always fun to hang out with friends and watch a game together. How about you? Do you have any friends who share your love for basketball or music?
Yes, I have a few close friends who share my interests in both basketball and music. We often hang out together and play basketball or listen to music together as well. It's always nice to have friends who share similar interests as yourself.
Definitely. It's always great to connect with people who share similar passions as yourself. Well, it was nice chatting with you today, Alex. Maybe we can catch up again sometime soon and share more interests with each other?
Absolutely. It was great meeting you too, Sarah. Let's keep in touch. Bye.
Bye, Alex.